In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make clickable images in your Notion template. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn any image in your Notion page into a link that opens a website, another page, or even a specific resource you want to highlight. First, open the Notion page where you want to add your clickable image. This can be any page, a dashboard, a notes page, a project hub, or a template you're building. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can add content to the page. Next, click into an empty line and type a / followed by the word image. As you start typing, Notion will show you a list of options that match the command. Select the option simply called image. This tells Notion that you want to insert an image block into your page. Once the image block appears, you'll see a few choices for how to add your image. Click on Upload File. This lets you choose a file stored on your computer like a logo, an icon, a banner, or any graphic you want to make clickable. A file picker window will open. Browse your folders, select the image you want, and confirm your choice. After a moment, Notion will upload the image and display it right on your page. You can drag it around or resize it if you need to, but for now, just make sure it's visible and fully loaded. Now, move your cursor over the image. You'll see a small toolbar appear, usually near the top right corner of the image. Click on the 3 dots icon. This opens a menu with more advanced options for that image block. In this menu, look for the option labeled More Options and click on it. This expands additional settings that aren't shown by default. Among these, you'll see an option that says Add Link to Image. Go ahead and click that. A small field will appear where you can paste a link. This can be a website URL, a link to another Notion page, or any valid link you want people to visit when they click your image. Paste your link into the field, then press enter or click away to confirm. Your image is now clickable. To test it, hover over the image and click it. Notion should open the link you just added, and that's all there is to it. You've created a clickable image inside your Notion template.